Hey guys, this is like the third or fourth take doing this. I keep looking at my TV instead of you guys because I'm using my cell phone and I'm using my TV to mirror, and I keep looking at that instead of you guys. So yeah, it's the third time doing this. Third time's a charm, I guess. Okay, today I'm looking at the Cooper's 86 Days Pilsner. Now you guys can see how much darker that is compared to what it's supposed to look like on the label there. And I think that's because the can was sitting around for about a year before I came along and bought it. So that does tend to darken liquid malt extracts. This is our cat Onyx. He's going to be joining me today to help me review this beer. What do you think it smells like? Not very good. I'm going to take a smell. There's not really much there, to be honest. It just has like a little bit of a malt sweetness, and that's about it. But I guess that's good in a way, because there's no cidery or twangy kind of kit smells from it. So let's see. Fermented this at 13 degrees Celsius. I used a kilogram of Munton's Beer Kit Enhancer, which is basically just 500 grams of dextrose and 500 grams of light DME. Excuse me. And I fermented that for about 10 days. Like I said, 13 degrees Celsius, and then kegged it. And I used Knox gelatin to clarify it. That's why it's so clear. So I'm going to take a taste. Yeah, it's pretty decent. I just wanted to brew something simple to drink when I watch the hockey games, and it's served its purpose. I'm pretty much at the bottom of the keg right now. I'm surprised I didn't bottom the keg out when I poured this glass, to be honest. Yeah, I don't have too much more to say about this. It's kind of on the bitter end. I guess that's expected, being a Pilsner, but hair on my tongue. But I find it a little overly bitter, and because of that reason, I don't find it very sessionable. So for that reason, I'm probably not going to make it again. I'll probably try some of their other kits. They got a bunch of new ones that I haven't tried yet before. And I'll let you guys know what I think of those when I get around to making something. I don't do a lot of drinking anymore. So that's about it for this beer. Quickly wanted to make a note that my wife and I started a new YouTube channel. I'll put the name in the middle of the screen. I encourage you guys to go check it out, subscribe, let us know what you think. It's basically, we're just doing vlogs of our workouts for now, and showing some of our homemade gym equipment. If any of you guys are interested in that kind of stuff, I urge you to go check it out. Well, this take is certainly better than the other ones, so I think it's a keeper. So cheers, guys. I'll talk to you next time. Anything to say before we go? No? See you guys.